Hello guys, welcome to my channel and another new video. So guys, today I have many colorful of toys here, and today I'll introduce all of toys, and finally I'll hand driving and this collecting all of toys. So let's go. First one is here. This is a tourist bus. Look at this guys, this is so nice and beautiful tourist bus here, and this is red and black combination also, so I collecting this tourist bus also at this side here. There is a another one is here. Look at this guys, this is a police helicopter, and this is pink color, paste color and green color also, so I collecting this one also at this side here. There is a another one is here. This is a music gun. Look at these guys, this is very nice and beautiful music gun. This is pink and green color. I collecting this one also at this side here. There is a another one is here. This is a V3 super racing car. And this color is a yellow and red color combination, so I collecting this one also at this side here. There is a another one is here. This is a army jeep here. This color is army clothing pattern on this zip here, and see this wheel color is white and black combination, so I collecting this one also at this side here. There is a next one. Wow, this is a under construction vehicle. This is mixer truck. And this color is white and yellow color combination, so I collecting this one also at this side here. Okay, there is a another one is here. Look at this guys, this is a dog. This is a dog. Its color is paste and pink color also, so I collecting this one also this dog at this side here. There is another one here. Oh, this is a funny toy storm drum here. Look at these guys, this is paste and white color combination, so I collecting this one also at this side here. And there is a another one is here. This is a DS Torsion car. Look at these guys, this is blue color, yellow color and pink color. Look at this wheel color is black and silver also, so I collecting this one also at this side here. And there is a another one is here. Look at this, guys. This is a cartoon car, and this is very nice and beautiful also. This cartoon car color is yellow, pink, black, many, so many color here. So I'll collecting this one at this side here. And there is the last one is here. This is a excavator. This is orange and black combination excavator, so I'm collecting this one at this side here. So I'll introduce today this excavator, this cartoon car, this DS car, this dove here. There is tom drum here also. There is a helicopter, police helicopter. There is another one is a under construction vehicle here. This is a music gun. This is a V3 super racing car here. There is a another one is here. This is army jeep car also, and there is the last one is a tourist bus here. So guys, today ending my video here, and see you soon with next time with many colorful of toys. Thank you so much.